another teeny tiny little haul and a little bit of chit chat. I was just fooling around up here today, and I was, organizing and stuff like that, and watching YouTube while I do it, and some stuff just came to mind, so I wanted to discuss that. But anyway, let me show you what I picked up. I went to my local thrift store. I'm always hauling from there. If you've been with me for a minute, you know that I like to go to Children's Harbor Thrift, which is a charitable thrift organization. Well, anyway, picked up some stuff. The first thing was this piece of round glass. Ooh, glare, sorry about that. It was $1. I saw this and I thought about making a tray. I have some more of the drawer pulls that I used in my last DIY video with making the tray, and I thought this would be kind of cool to make one with and put in another area in my house. And it's a nice sturdy piece of glass. It looked like it probably went on something or fit down into something or whatever, but it has a nice beveled edge, which you want, and it just needs a little bit of cleanup. So for $1, I thought that was pretty good. And then I picked up a couple of Easter items as well. I picked up 2 of these little decorative, I don't know what you want to call these, Easter egg baskets. I don't know. But they were $1. And they look like this. And I'm not sure if they were handmade or purchased like this, but from what I'm looking at here, it looks like somebody painted them and did this, maybe. I don't know. But anyway, I thought they were so adorable, and they'll be cute to like tuck into some little smaller areas or spaces just to add a little bit of a, spring touch or Easter touch. As far as decor is concerned. And they were $1 each, and I thought they were really pretty, and they're nice and weighty, so they're not going to tip or anything. But I love that really pretty springy look that it has with the grapevine handle there and the little beautiful speckled egg. So I think this is so cute. I think one of these will be in my little girly bathroom, so that's going to be really cute. Okay, and the last thing over here, I picked up these decorating Easter eggs. Last year, or may have been the year before, I picked up some from the same place, and they were 50 cents, so I don't know what's going on. But anyway, I picked up the white ones and some black ones, and they take color and, dyeing really well. And I got some more. Since they had these, they were $1. I think they came from Walmart. I'm assuming they came from Walmart. But anyway, for $1, I said I'd pick some more up because they look really pretty in a basket, just how they are. But you can do other things as well. So I think I'm going to experiment a little bit with these and add maybe some color. I was watching a young lady on here earlier, and she actually painted some plastic ones, and they look like really natural looking eggs. So I was thinking about trying out her little technique. But really, really cute and nice for $1. And in the pack, you get 12 paper stands and a dipper. So they say that you can treat these just like regular dairy eggs as far as dyeing. So we're going to see. So that is it for my haul. Now, what I wanted to talk about was since I was organizing, I was watching a lot of organization videos and stuff. And so I know there's a big trend with Marie Kondo. She's a professional organizer or whatever. And so a lot of the people that I was watching were applying her techniques, which I think she has great organization tips and techniques or whatever. And one of them was towel folding. And I was looking at how you fold the towels and things like that. And I'm saying there's nothing new about how to fold towels. I was folding towels like that when I was a kid because, my grandmother wanted things a certain way because I was raised by my grandparents. But anyway, she wanted things a certain way. I mean, a lot of us can relate to that. Your mom, your grandma, auntie, whoever. You had to do things a certain way. Things had to be put and kept a certain way. So I was just thinking about how this generation, not that I'm old or anything, but people are capitalizing, which is, hey, the American way, do what you gotta do, but capitalizing on old school tricks and tips and stuff. And it is just amazing because, you know, just a generation ago, I mean, we didn't have social media. We didn't have all the stuff that we have now to promote or self-promote ideas and things that people think that they've come up with, but has always existed in a sense, if that makes, you know, that makes any sense. But I just thought it was funny. I'm like, okay, you know, I had to do that anyway. I mean, this was something I was doing years ago, you know, but I'm not mad at her, you know, because at that time, like I said, we didn't have the resources, you know, honey. If I could have marketed some of the stuff that I had to do, or that I came across, or, you know, came up with, or whatever at that time, I'd be a millionaire now. But it's just amazing to me. I look at, not just in, you know, like organization and things like that, but in all genres across YouTube, especially. Like, I look at a lot of the makeup gurus when they're doing these techniques. I'm like, honey, we were doing that, child, when I was in elementary school, experiment with makeup, and, you know, my teen years in high school. We were doing all this stuff. It is not new, but with the social media and these people with these wonderful personalities getting on here and just entertaining us with, you know, their videos and things like that, it's just amazing how, you know, things grow and their businesses grow, and, you know, their brands, should I say, grow. So it's interesting. It really is interesting to see. And I just said to myself today, I got to come on here and talk about this and see what you guys think about this as well. And do you notice these things? You know, because I mean, I'm not old, but I'm not young either. And I just look at some of the stuff, and just like with the fashions and things like that, you know, in styling clothing and stuff. I mean, the stuff that they're wearing, honey, we've been through that 2 or 3 times. You know, it's come and gone, come and gone. You know, fashion's like history. It repeats, you know. But I just look at some of the stuff and I'm like, that's not a new thing. It's just an updated maybe thing, or, you know, fresher modern version of something. I don't know. But yeah, I just, it's just funny to me. It's entertaining, you know, and I'm happy for these people. I mean, hey, do you handle your business, you know, make that money, you know, do whatever it is. But it's just so funny. And do y'all feel like that? Let me know down below. You know, because like I said, I've been binge watching YouTube here for the last couple of days while I did stuff around the house. And it's just, it's just funny to me. But yeah. Oh, and then I did want to mention my earrings. I love these earrings. They're from Khadija Noir. I think that's the correct name of her channel. But she does these beautiful and amazing handmade earrings. I have several pair of her, you know, her earrings. She hand makes these and stuff like that. She has an Etsy shop. I'm gonna list or post a link to her channel, because she shows you how she makes, you know, some of the earrings, and she has some really nice and interesting talk videos. You know, she, you know, gives her opinion on certain issues, you know, that are popular in, you know, current events and things like that. But she is wonderfully talented. When I tell you, her designs with this jewelry is amazing. It is absolutely stunning. And I'm playing, girl, hey, if you're watching, but I'm gonna try my best to get on that site and get some more. I love these earrings. But anyway, I'm gonna post a link to all of her information down below, and y'all go check out her channel, tell her I sent you, and go to her website or her Etsy site and buy some stuff. It's not overpriced or anything, and I think it's well worth what she's asking for her different pieces. She has some as beautifully and intricate as these, and then she has more subtle ones and things like that, but I love them. I love a statement piece. I love statement earrings. You know, that's just me. But anyway, I think it's Khadija Noir here on the YouTube. But again, I'll have all that information down below. But yeah, so I guess that's all I wanted to come on here and talk about before I start rambling, and then I hear my oven buzzer going off because I'm making dinner. But yeah, tell me what you think about what I was saying below, and hope you enjoyed my mini little haul from the thrift store. But yeah, let me know what you think down below, and if you like these kinds of videos, but just stuff that was on my mind. But anywho, I'm gonna get off here and go eat my dinner so I can go to bed and get up. But yeah, until my next video, I will see y'all then. Bye.